Take a ride in the 2019 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.